Habits, they're the invisible architects of our lives. Whether it's the first thing you do in the morning or how you wind down at night, your habits quietly shape your day, your success, and even your happiness. But why is it so easy to fall into bad habits, while good ones seem like an uphill battle? The answer lies in the fascinating science of habit formation. Today, we're diving deep into the psychology and neuroscience behind how habits are formed, and most importantly, how you can build good habits that stick for life. If you've ever tried to create a positive change but found yourself slipping back into old patterns, this video is for you. Let's unravel the science together and make lasting change simpler. 1. What are habits and why do they matter? Habits are behaviors that we perform automatically, triggered by specific cues in our environment. They save mental energy by taking decisions out of conscious thought, which is why they're so powerful. However, this power can work for us or against us. Good habits can propel you toward your goals, while bad ones can hold you back. A study published in the European Journal of Social Psychology found that, on average, it takes about 66 days for a habit to become automatic. But here's the catch. It's not just about repeating a behavior, it's about doing it strategically. 2. The habit loop. Cue, routine, reward. The science of habit formation boils down to a simple framework called the habit loop, which was popularized by Charles Duhigg in his book, The Power of Habit. The loop consists of 3 components. Cue. A trigger that initiates the behavior. It could be a specific time, location, emotion, or event. Routine. The behavior or action itself. Reward. The benefit or positive outcome you experience, which reinforces the habit. For example, if your cue is waking up in the morning, your routine might be drinking a cup of coffee, and your reward is the energy boost you feel afterward. Understanding this loop is key to hacking your habits. 3. Why good habits are hard to build and bad ones hard to break. Our brains are wired for efficiency, which means they gravitate toward routines that provide immediate rewards, even if they're detrimental in the long run. This is why bad habits, like binge watching or overeating, can feel so irresistible. They offer instant gratification. Good habits, on the other hand, often require delayed gratification. For example, exercising doesn't yield immediate visible results, but the long-term benefits are undeniable. To counteract this, the key is to associate small, immediate rewards with your good habits to keep your brain engaged. 4. How to build good habits that stick. Let's break this down into actionable steps. Start small. The most effective habits are those you can integrate seamlessly into your routine. If you want to start exercising, begin with just 5 minutes a day. Small wins build momentum. B. Anchor new habits to existing ones. This is called habit stacking, a technique developed by James Clear in Atomic Habits. For example, if you want to start meditating, you can attach it to an existing habit like brushing your teeth. Right after brushing your teeth, sit down to meditate for 2 minutes. C. Optimize your environment. Your surroundings play a huge role in habit formation. If you want to eat healthier, keep fresh fruits visible on your kitchen counter and hide junk food in less accessible places. The fewer obstacles there are, the easier it becomes to stick to your habit. D. Use accountability. Share your goals with someone or track your progress visibly. Research shows that we're more likely to stick to habits when we feel accountable to others. E. Celebrate your wins. Even the smallest victories deserve recognition. Celebrating your progress triggers the release of dopamine in your brain, which reinforces the habit loop and makes the behavior more enjoyable. 5. Breaking bad habits. Breaking a bad habit isn't about willpower, it's about disrupting the habit loop. Here's how. Identify the cue. What triggers your bad habit? Is it boredom, stress, or a specific environment? Awareness is the first step to change. Replace the routine. Don't focus on eliminating the habit. Instead, replace it with a healthier alternative that provides a similar reward. For instance, if stress triggers you to eat junk food, replace that routine with a quick walk or deep breathing exercises. Reduce exposure. The less you encounter the cue, the easier it becomes to break the loop. 6. The role of consistency over perfection. Finally, remember that habit formation isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Missing a day or two doesn't mean you've failed. What matters is getting back on track. Think of habits as a long-term investment in yourself, where every small action compounds into meaningful change over time. Habits may seem small and insignificant in the moment, but over time, they shape the course of your life. By understanding the science behind how habits work, you can take control of your routines and build a life that aligns with your goals. So, what habit are you going to start working on today? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your journey. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on personal growth and the science of self-improvement. Until next time, take small steps, stay consistent, and watch your habits transform your life.